This is a video showing the assembly of the exercise bike. Contained are the various pieces: the bike body, the leg stands, full instruction manual, the toolkit, all the necessary screws, washers, nuts and bolts, including an Allen key. The seat, the handlebars, the necessary support columns, and the pedals. The first step is to attach the main floor stand to the bicycle unit. Insert the bolts provided into the two spaces. Attach to the main bicycle unit. Insert washers and the nut. Then make sure you tighten the nut using the provided tool. Next, attach the rear floor stand using the same process as previously. The next step is to attach the pedals to the body of the bike. Note the hole in the body of the bike and align the nut on the pedal into the hole. Affix and tighten. Further secure and tighten the pedal using the provided tool in a clockwise movement. Repeat the same process on the other side pedal. There are three support brackets: the handlebar bracket and two support brackets for the seat unit. Insert the handlebar support bracket to the front of the bike unit. Do the same for the seat support bracket at the rear of the bike unit. Tighten and push down where necessary. Next, attach the handlebars to the main bike body. Check that you have the provided nuts, bolts and Allen key. Insert the bolts into the bike body. Repeat for all 4 bolts and tighten with Allen key. The next step is to insert the control unit. ensure that the batteries are put in place, and then align the control unit with the bike body. Then, attach the connection cord from the bike body up to the control unit. Next, insert the handlebar cover plate. This item just snaps into place. Finally, attach the seat unit to the bike body. Tighten and we're done.